Welcome back to Beast Mode on the road.
Hi.
Reggie's up here crying. He wants to go home. But we gotta go to the post office. We got keys to ship out. They're finally gone. Look at the rack.
3 in one bit?
3 and gone. We're tired of looking at them. They're right over here. They're gone. Nowhere to be seen. Now I got rabbit sore, that guy, this person, that person, and another loaf. But I did a bunch of fur. Reggie, we're gonna go home soon. Got a bunch of fur on this person. It looks like a ridge going down their back and on their front here. Reggie! What? What? What?
Use your words, Pennywise.
Poor little puppy.
Use your words, Pennywise.
But yeah, check them out. Gonna put some pockets, have them ready to go. Probably got some stripes on their knees, something I think.
Yeah, they got some cool like stripes and moons and stars for their liner. It's pretty cool.
Alright. So, I know we always say it, but we're gonna go find some food. Beast Mode on the road where we're gonna start doing some minis. So, what I have here is Captain Bloodclaw, I believe. So, got our models in. Got this guy. I don't know if you can barely see. Look, that's special 3D printed version of Captain Bloodclaw by Artel from Russia. Comes with a couple of ammo minions and a box. Not sure why the loot or why that minion looks like that, but it's gonna be interesting. So got them, and let's see if I can find the other one. Got a weird boy. Okay. So here's our next one. Weird shaman. Comes in all these different pieces. It's got some pretty good detail. Very interesting. That it's all resin 3D printed, so they've gotten a lot better at it. I would be happy with that if I could produce it. But pretty sweet. So I know they just came out with a new weird boy that does some sight power, so not sure what's gonna happen with that, but we'll see. Alrighty, we got that weird boy put together. I didn't put the head on just yet. I'm gonna choose this one over this one, but I want to paint everything first before I put the head on, and then paint the head as is too on a stand. So, but that's a pretty cool model, much better than the Games Workshop one. So my one complaint is this resin is really soft, and anything real thin breaks real easy when you're trying to put it together, so you gotta have very soft touch. But got it together, so let's get Captain Bloodclaw. Alrighty, so there's the little goblin guy, here's the little bird guy, treasure chest, and Captain Bloodclaw himself. Got some bases for them all. About to look up the photo so I can see and make sure I build it right. treasure chest. And Captain Blood Claw himself with the goblin. By W. Artel. Ready. Oh, I got his little goblin minion ready. Whatever the hell this thing is supposed to be, but we will not know. And the cool treasure chest. So, time to put old Blood Claw together. So excited. So I don't have them together, but I'm going to be putting them together after I paint them, because I'm going to do these individually, I think, and put them, glue them on afterwards so I can get up into there. Oh no, I lost my head! Ah! But I'm having a hard time picking between this claw and this claw. This is pretty cool, but this is pretty cool too. And it's got a pretty cool backpack that's on it, but I kind of like putting that on the back. So, oh, poof. Well, that's it. So, I'm gonna start painting a little bit, I think. Alrighty, it took me all night, but I got the 2 coats of red on each one. They're all still taken apart, so I can take them apart and paint each one individually. But ooh, yeah, that's about all I have in me, is to do 5 or 6 at a time right now. So I'll have to start collecting more paints to get the weapons painted to how I would like, and figuring out a base and terrain. So yeah, not bad at all.